Hi guys, now it's time to do the big reveal. Cruzy, here we go. Now, first thing I found in there was an envelope. Now, that is so special, isn't it? It's probably a Christmas card or something. I don't know. So look. You then get a booklet that says, Asa, Swift Go 16. That must be that one in there, I'm guessing. Now, here we go. Now look at this. It's all about securely wrapped and looked after. So Asa is a very good company for looking after its product. Oh, that's heavy there. We'll have to get some revealing another way. Cable. Cable. One goes in there like that, and then extends to the power point. Obviously it's a 240 volt power machine that changes into 12 volt by using this transformer. Here we go, let's have a look. There's our laptop.
Oh, pretty.
How nice is that? So that's one we bought a couple of weeks ago. My other one was 7 years old and it just fell apart basically. It's all the CPU stuff just didn't work very well, so we had to have it looked at, and the looking at person said, no, it's no good. And we bought this one at Domain. So thank you, Mr. Domain, Mrs. Domain, if that's Mrs. Harvey and the family. But here we go. Let's give it a go.